Hey everybody, I'm so excited because we are here today at Ballet Palm Beach and this totally encompasses everything I'm talking about. I mean, the breath, the energy, the this, the that, I mean everything. This is gonna be so freaking cool. So come on with me, here we go.
Four in first, 4 temps levés in first, and a 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, 4 second, 6, 7, 8. From second position, you beat, back to fourth ouverte, beat, back to fourth ouverte. Close fifth, failli, contretemps, tombe pas de bourrée, and tendu back to first. So 1, and 2, and 3, 4 second, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you all know it. I don't have to demonstrate. Good, because you wouldn't get it. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring these legs together. Efface head fourth. Bring them together. Fourth. Close fifth. Failli contretemps. Tombe pas de bourrée. And tendu back to first. And ready for the other side. Listen once. Just have him come in. Perfect. Maybe here. Thank you so much. And one, and one, and. Downstage. This is a jump. Ha ha. Ha ha. Very nice. Second group. One. Good, nice. And 1. And a 1. And a 1. And a 1. Nice. 3, 4. Gentlemen. 7. Hello, Andrew. 1. Nice to meet you. Just set up and you can. This corner's kind of sacred.
I can stay here. It's all good. I can stay here.
No, this is. I have to get to this.
Oh, okay.
So you can go next to those guys or wherever. 1. Good. Just do 4 temps levés in first. Watch her ballon. It's really, really nice. 4, 2. Ready, go. Dia, dia. See your hips. Yeah, don't try to just do the feet. Yeah, if the hips don't get in the air, I don't care how much you try to work those legs, you're not going to jump very high. Light. Remember I talked to you about before, everything when you jump has a floor. You don't jump from the floor. Your knees have a floor, your hips have a floor, your chest has a floor. Everything's springing off it at its level. If I think of my hips jumping off the floor, you're never going to get that feeling of balance. Everything has to release off its floor. Do it again. Now that you know what you're looking for. Not me. Ready? And down. See your hips are bouncing off the floor here. Try one more time, please. Ready? Yeah, yes, good girl. Beautiful jump. 6, beautiful. And a 1, and a 1, and a 1, and a 1. Are we okay over here, all of us? The same family? Huh? You okay? Good. 2. Next group, 6. Good girl. 1. Yes, better. Yeah, yes, good. Da 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 da. That's all right. When in doubt, just keep jumping. Second. Beautiful, Adriana. Ba. Good girl. Beautiful. 2, 3. 4, and yes, good. 1, and 1, and 1, and 1. That's all right. And. No tension in your hands. Stop, stop. Okay.
If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.